Hello and welcome to episode 6 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. If you take a look at the outside, they got the construction done. They extended this side, they added some windows, so we're going to go inside and take a look. Alright, so this is it. You want to circle around there, Caitlin, get a good look at it. Look at all of these windows. Added a lot of light. Well, you're doing the circle around, huh? All right, so we have all of these windows. They are starting to put the wall up over here. So we have next to do on the list is electrical, HVAC. That will be done this week. And then they're going to come in and do the drywall. They're going to finish up the roof. And then we, as in David and I, are going to finish up the flooring and painting. So this will be kind of like a rec area for the kids to hang out. And over here will be an office space. And it has a closet over here. So they'll be adding some, watch out for that cord there, girl. So I'll be adding some lighting. He's got some of these light fixtures up here. Can you see up there? Some of these light fixtures up here. He's not going to put a ceiling fan in this room, but there will be one in the main room. You know, can you point on that? Look at that. Here, I'll go over here. This is where the ceiling fan will be, and then we have 8 lights that will be surrounding. So we're excited. They're also going to put in a new door, but this is what's happened in the past week. So stay tuned for next week, and we'll let you know what's happening.